This is a very special day for the sustainable engineering team. We are doing a new boots on the ground video tour of a manufacturing facility today. It is Garner Osborne circuits, where we're looking at PCB production. And it's special because we've also got Steve Driver with us, who is the CEO of Jiva Materials. And what we're going to be doing is having a look at how Jiva's biodegradable PCB materials, which we've covered in the past in the lab, have now made it into production and are being manufactured through the standard PCB production processes here at Garner. So it's going to be a kind of day in the life of a Soluboard PCB as we step through all of those production processes. So Steve, just give us a quick summary of the material and what we're going to be seeing here today.
Okay, today you should see here at Garner we have about 6 jobs on the shop floor, ranging from PCBs used in LED applications, computer peripheral applications. Garner have been an important partner for us with the development of the material. So you should see PCBs here being drilled, plated, printed in a standard environment, and you're demonstrating that your Soluboard, whilst it's a biodegradable laminate, is still a drop-in material that can be used in a standard production.
Excellent, thanks Steve. Right, let's roll on and get to the first process. Okay, we're at step 1 of the process, which is essentially the laminate storage area. So you can see here on the shelves all the laminates. Now, I think in conversations we've had before, Steve, you said your one goal was to be on the shelf with the other materials, and that here you are on these shelves with the other materials.
Yeah. So one of the key goals I've had with Jiva is for Soluboard to be alongside other materials on the shelf. So here today you can see materials here from many different manufacturers, ranging from Rogers to Ventec in terms of technologies. So that's the key goal for Jiva, to be considered as a material that's available on the shelf alongside other materials.